What's up YouTube? Yeah, I'm talking to you. It's DJ Avionics. Now upon waking up today, looking through my social media and email especially, I see an email from DJI announcing something new coming with a countdown at their website. Now, what is this? Today's August 8th, okay? August 13th, this new thing is supposed to arrive and be released 9 a.m. Eastern time to the rest of the world. So I clicked on the video and I watched it, what you saw in the intro. Now, after watching this video, nothing in this video says drone or camera or anything of that sort, because DJI is known to make awesome drones with awesome cameras on it. So watching this video, I'm like, first initial thought, 3D laser printer? Is DJI tapping into the 3D laser printing industry? That's it's pretty different for them, you know? So upon further review of this video, you see a cat jumping out of something that looks like a birthday card, and then all of a sudden you see a Coke bottle shaking, exploding in the confetti with party time going on, and then you see the Eiffel Tower with the keychain of the Eiffel Tower being waved around on a hand. Everything about this video to me looks like everything that they made this stop motion animation video was 3D laser printed. Well, only way to find out is wait another 5 days, so let that countdown commence. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like. If you have any idea of what they're talking about, please leave your comments and suggestions down below. And please hit that subscribe and please hit that bell. I'm DJ Avionics. Peace.